My name is Gboyega Arowolo. People call me Boye like GB. Oh, that name right there.
AKA.
I don't have AKA. It's just Boye. GB. GB. That's all right. GB is like WhatsApp, but then it's Boye. Boye is Boye. Well, I consider myself a celebrity. Especially, please, especially here at Zacrac, it is hard to keep the name Boye out of your mouth. There's just even people that have not met me. There's this Boye. There's Boye everywhere. That's why. And they are jealous. They are jealous of me in this office. They are envying me. So I'm a very lively guy, fun to be with. I'm extroverted. Yes. I stay indoor, anyways. Yes. I don't like going out. I like privacy. I like my space. I like my space so much. I don't want to go out, but I have to go out a lot because I shoot. I'm the guy behind the camera all the time, so I have to go for weddings, events. That just documenting memories, pictures, I and all of that. So those are the things that take me out. But other than that, I can stay in my room for 1 month and just be ordering food, ordering every single thing I need. I have yes, HTML food. My beloved. So I have vendors for almost everything. Right. So I'm the media guy at Zacrac. I take pictures. Those guys are as if they're tired of life. I take their pictures. All those people that are not serious in the office, I'll record them. Make sure everything is documented. Every picture, every video out there, I made them. Okay? So you see this video, you like it, you be like, oh, that's the guy. Awesome. I'm the guy. So I do online courses, the courses on our platform. I produce them. So I just do anything you can think of in this, anything media at Zacrac, I do that. My favorite person at work, that will probably be Esther. I think she's my favorite person at the moment, right? But Tokwe is my brother. It's the person I can enter his wallet. Anyhow, Tokwe is my brother at work. I think that's it. So if I wasn't doing media, what would I do? I can't do civil engineering. It's a boring thing, actually. I think if I'm not into filmmaking and videography, I would definitely be somewhere talking. I talk a lot, so I'll be somewhere. Yes, a host. Yeah, I used to host a show on radio, 2017, 2018, I think. Show, yeah, it's called Life Champions. So I bring in guys to come and talk about their experiences, all the odds they face, not the sweet story, now the sad part of it, and then how they got the opportunities they got, the real story. So that was it. I did that for a while. I think the fun part about my work is the money. I think it's the money. When you're trying to talk to a bride and you're like, I want a very nice wedding, and they're like, thank you. And show them the packages and they're like, well, I think I would like to go for the premium. You're like, God bless you. So that's probably the most exciting part of my work, really. And the most boring part is coming up with what I want to edit. Okay, shooting is easy, but coming up with the concept, especially when you want to do highlights, reels, all those 1-minute videos, you spend 2-3 hours on one minute video, and then you have to start thinking about what song do I want to use, how do I want to edit this video. At Zacrac here, I think my most boring part is coming up with a concept. I want to do a promo video, and I'm like, okay, what concept do I need to use? Then you do it, then you delete, do and delete, then you send it to Tosin. Tosin will be like, hey, it is nice, but the font and in fact this video, I don't think the color is nice. I think everything. So at the long run, I have to just start all over again, something like that. I do a lot of start overs, so I start over again. But the fun part about my work is just the money part. Then I enjoy shooting though, talking to people. Like I'm just there, you can tell me what to do. Put your head like this. Do your head like this. Do your hand like this. Yeah, so it is nice telling people what to do exactly. So that kind of thing. Well, it's strange. I mean, I've been in a couple of movies. Yeah, I have. Yeah, I'm a filmmaker actually. I have like 3 movies out there. I I'm an actor. I act, right? I like to be in front of the camera, but I don't like it. It puts me. I don't know. It's just weird. And the weirdest part about this whole thing is I'm going to edit this video. So I'm going to be staring at myself, talking like this, and looking at all of my expression, and I'm going to be like, nah, this is not me. This cannot be me. Haha. Then I mean that's the hard part. Yeah. So being in front of the camera, it is nice, but somebody else can edit, then they will post it. I will not see it when they post it. So I'm just like, you posted it, oh nice. But then I will edit this video. I'm looking at myself going, Zacrac is a very chill place to be. Very, very chill place, like chill. I mean, I've worked with. I don't do corporate works actually. I mean, being the guy that travels a lot, almost every weekend, almost every weekend. I mean, I travel a lot. I really don't like staying with a company or anything, right? But I mean, being at Zacrac really made me want to stay. You know, the work culture here, you can't sing for your video now. You know, sing. I did do my own video. They sing. That's how they jealous me in this office. I'm doing something, they chook mouth. That's how it works. Okay, so it's just Zacrac is a chill place to be. I like the fact that resources are available. Then there's room for improvement. I mean, being the events guy and having to come and shoot the EdTech kind of video, they're quite different, right? So you have to like learn over time and learn. So that's it. Wale is my CEO, so I don't want to scream his name. All right, so he's a chill person actually. I don't exactly have much conversations with him. Bulk of my conversation goes to my team lead. To just ask, oh hey, what's up? Have you done this? And I'm like, yes, I have. I always do my work anyways. I'm like, yes, I have. Except for the reels. I don't know, just cruise, okay? I like anything fun. I enjoy my work so much. I enjoy my work. Being a content creator, you know, you have to come up with concepts, come up with ideas. So I really enjoy my work. So I would just say that do what you love, do what you enjoy. But more than do what you love, do what brings you money, actually. So Tokwe says I'm a rich guy, then Okwe says I'm a rich guy. But no matter the money I think I have, you need to meet Wale or Eric. They are the money bags, the Zacrac. They rake money in millions. I'll cut this out, sha. So thank you guys. I hope to not come in front of this camera again until another 1 year or year plus or 2 years, hopefully. So, ciao.
Peace out. Thank you.